Have a nice day. Myself J. Vinoda, Assistant Professor from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. This video we are going to know about characteristics of good business communication and principles of communication. Characteristics or features of business communication. Communication is a process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. Communication is a system through which two or more persons come to exchange idea and understanding among themselves. The first characteristics of communication is interchange of information. The basic characteristics of human communication is that it aims at exchanging information. It is a two-way process. The exchange can be between two or more persons. It may be at the individual or the organizational level. Next one is continuous process. Communication is a continuous process. It is not static. It is constantly subject to change and its dynamic. The people with whom communication is held, it is content and nature, and the situation in which communication is held all keep in change. The third one is mutual understanding. The main purpose of communication is to bring about mutual understanding. The receiver should receive and understand the message in the manner that the sender intended to him. And the fourth one is response or reaction. The communication always lead to some response or reaction. A message becomes communication only when the receiving party understand the knowledge and the also react and response to the sender. Next one, universal function. The communication is a universal function which cover all levels of authority. The last one is social activity. Social activity is the one of the communication to the components of society or into a relationship of sharing and or it information, feelings or emotion. The same hold true for business communication. It involves the effort of people to get in touch with one another and to make them understood. The communication, the process by which people attempted to share meaning and related to one another is thus social activities. Next, I have to explain principles of communication. The communication to be effective must be based on certain important principles. First one is clarity, second one is integrity, and third one is uses of informal organization. The first one is clarity. Clarity is the clear explanation of communication. A communication is said to have clarity when it is expressed and transmitted to the receiver in the understandable manner. Unless the message is well understood by the subordinate, efficiency in action should not become a reality. Next one, integrity. Integrity is the faithful of communication. The managerial communication is only means but not ends. The purpose of communication is to develop understanding and to bring coordination to attain the cherished goal of the firm. Last one is uses of informal organization. The organization manager must make use of the informal organization to supplement the communication channels of the formal organization. Thank you.